How to prioritize tasks in 10 seconds. She is a schoolgirl who must have completed many lessons. He is a busy businessman. He has a lot of work to do. Let us help them finish their tasks quickly. Make a task list. Begin by listing out all tasks, including anything ongoing or newly assigned. This enables you to see the big picture and ensures nothing is overlooked. Identify whether they are urgent or important tasks. Let us see how we identify urgent tasks among all tasks assigned to us. Time-sensitive, requires immediate action. High accountability, linked to key stakeholders. Consequential, delays lead to negative impacts. Immediate benefit or problem resolution. Completing urgent tasks can result in immediate relief or benefit, solving a pressing issue, or meeting a specific short-term objective. Cannot be delegated or postponed. Urgent tasks are often high-priority items that only you can complete, and they may not be easily reassigned or postponed without consequences. Here are important task properties. High impact, contributes to long-term goals or objectives. Strategic value, aligns with overall growth, development, or success. Planning-oriented, often requires thoughtful preparation or consistent work over time. Future-focused, addresses long-term improvements rather than immediate needs. Enhances skills relationships, builds personal or professional growth and strong connections. Use the urgent important matrix. Urgent and important tasks, do them now. Important but not urgent tasks, schedule these after your urgent important tasks. Urgent but not important tasks, these can often be delegated or done in short breaks. Not urgent and not important tasks, delete them. Unnecessary and time-wasting tasks. Do you know that most busy people are doing to be delegated and to be deleted tasks? Being busy is not the same as success. Set clear deadlines and expectations. Confirm deadlines and requirements to avoid last-minute stress for urgent tasks. Stay adaptable. Throughout the day, priorities can shift. Regularly review your task list to adapt to new information or urgent assignments. By consistently applying this method, you'll be able to prioritize effectively and handle high-impact tasks on time. Remember to prioritize what's urgent and important to stay productive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.